The OPPO Find X9 Pro is one of the most exciting flagship smartphones designed to deliver powerful performance, premium design, and cutting-edge camera technology. At first glance, the phone looks extremely modern and stylish with a sleek body, smooth curved edges, and a premium glass finish that feels comfortable in the hand. The back design looks very elegant and clean, while the camera module gives the phone a powerful flagship appearance. OPPO has focused heavily on both aesthetics and performance, making this device suitable for users who want a premium smartphone experience. On the front, the device features a large AMOLED display that delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness. The display supports a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling through apps, watching videos, and playing games feel extremely smooth and responsive. Whether you are browsing social media, watching YouTube, or playing high-performance games, the screen provides a very immersive experience. The thin bezels and modern design also give the phone a very futuristic look, making it stand out among other smartphones. When it comes to performance, the OPPO Find X9 Pro is expected to be powered by a powerful flagship processor that delivers fast and efficient performance. This means users can easily run multiple apps at the same time without experiencing lag or slowdowns. Heavy games, video editing, and multitasking can all run smoothly thanks to the advanced chipset and optimized software. The phone also comes with large RAM options and plenty of storage, allowing users to store thousands of photos, videos, apps, and games without worrying about space. One of the biggest highlights of this smartphone is its advanced camera system. OPPO has partnered with professional camera technology to bring a high-quality photography experience. The rear camera setup includes powerful sensors that capture detailed photos with excellent color accuracy and sharpness. Whether you are taking photos during the day or at night, the camera system is designed to produce clear and vibrant results. The device also supports advanced features such as portrait photography, ultra-wide shots, night photography, and high-resolution video recording, making it perfect for content creators and photography lovers. The front camera is also designed for high-quality selfies and video calls. It captures natural skin tones and clear details, making it ideal for social media content, live streaming, and video chatting. Many AI features are also included to improve image quality automatically and help users capture the best possible photos. Battery performance is another strong point of the OPPO Find X9 Pro. The phone is expected to feature a large battery that can easily last throughout the day with normal use. Whether you are watching videos, browsing the internet, gaming, or using social media, the battery is designed to provide reliable power. The device also supports ultra-fast charging technology, allowing the battery to recharge quickly so users can get back to using their phone without waiting for long periods. The software experience is smooth and modern as well. The phone runs on OPPO's customized Android interface, which provides a clean design, smooth animations, and many useful features. Users can customize themes, icons, and layouts according to their preferences. Security features such as an in-display fingerprint sensor and facial recognition help keep the device secure while also allowing quick access. Connectivity features on the OPPO Find X9 Pro include 5G support for extremely fast internet speeds, allowing users to download files, stream high-quality videos, and play online games with minimal delay. The phone also includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and other modern connectivity options that ensure a reliable and fast connection wherever you go. Overall, the OPPO Find X9 Pro represents a powerful combination of design, performance, and camera innovation. It is built for users who want a flagship smartphone that can handle everyday tasks, entertainment, photography, and gaming with ease. With its premium design, smooth display, powerful performance, and advanced camera capabilities, this smartphone is designed to compete with the best devices in the modern smartphone market and provide users with a truly premium mobile experience. Cell phone fire.